Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use YouTube watch page new layout trick. To use the YouTube watch page new layout trick, you can engage with the redesigned elements to read comments side by side with the video player, or leverage browser extension to instantly revert the classic interface. The controversial desktop layout swaps the traditional positions of the video information/comments and the recommend video sidebar. Now to master the redesigned interface layout, scroll down slightly while watching a video and the comment section will now dynamically pin itself to the right-hand sidebar next to the video player, which will allow you to browse or write comments without blocking the active video playback. And you can also look directly underneath the main video window. The title, description, like, count, and channel subscribe details have been relocated to the bottom left area to make room for larger recommendation card. Now tap the theater mode icon or press T on your keyboard at the bottom corner of the video player. This will expand the video frame horizontally across the screen, tracking closely with the width of the old layout and pushing recommendation card further down. And that is how you can master this redesigned interface in YouTube. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.